So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna shake the rest of these bees into the hive.
Oh my goodness! Look at them all.
Yeah.
Come on, that's so cool.
So that's 3 pounds. Okay, by the
Oh, look at that.
and they're gonna all kind of find their way down
Hi, buddies.
into that hive. They'll kind of melt in basically.
You're doing a good job, bees.
This takes a while. It is pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's incredible.
And these look really healthy. Like there's hardly any dead bees in the
You're
bottom.
happy with this?
Yeah, I'm really happy. Really happy with this. I ordered from this company the queens that I ordered last year, and I really like them. So I'm trying to be really careful not to squish any on the sides here.
That's wild. They just like jump out.
This is incredible.
Yeah, I'm just literally pouring them out, right? Yeah, these are nice, healthy packages. So there is an entrance over here. I'm just going to set this down
So they could go in.
right up here, so they can literally just walk right in there. Okay.